Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Chartify AI. In order to do so, here we are at chartify.it. And what is Chartify all about? Well, it turns raw data into charts instantly. So you can load a file or drag and drop to get started. Drag, drop, select. Chartify IT lets you turn raw data into charts instantly in your web browser. Just drag and drop a file onto the page and select the fields to use. We handle the data wrangling so you can run transformations and see results within seconds. Make charts instantly. Clean data visually. Run statistics and machine learning and pay only for what you use. Chartify is a pay as you go for data analytics. Instead of talk time minutes, we give you compute time tokens so that you can only pay for what you use. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the Google Play Store, and you can see that you can also get Chartify there, and you can also get Chartify on the App Store as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business and offers tailored results. Also, check out Cider. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to compare answers from the top AI chop models available so that you can get the answers you're looking for. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.